Today I want to create the best tutorial of a marketing tool with the help of a tool you have. Create campaign and target high quality traffic to your desired audience and boost your earnings. Watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel Ajay Digital World. Here you get the best tutorial on online money making tools. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is the purpose of ClickMagick? ClickMagick is a fantastic monitoring tool that allows you to monitor your advertising and concentrate on the sources of your most valuable clicks. If you want to create an account on this site, link in the description box. What is the mechanism behind ClickMagick? ClickMagick is a web-based tool for tracking and optimizing marketing activities. At its most simple level, it allows you to build tracking links, and ClickMagick will show you who clicked on them, as well as the clicks that resulted in sales, if set up correctly. Features of ClickMagick include: 1. ClickMagick is your single source of truth. You just can't rely on the statistics provided by your ad networks, affiliate networks, autoresponders, shopping cart, CRM, or other marketing apps that you use. Because, individually, they simply do not have all the data points needed to generate accurate and actionable marketing insights. Not to mention, some of them like to take credit for it all. ClickMagick is your single source of truth gold, the one place where you can see all your key marketing metrics and your actual results, with pinpoint accuracy, all in one place. 2. Track and optimize your sales funnel. ClickMagick is much more than just a link tracker, and you can use it to easily track and optimize even the most sophisticated sales funnel. For example, ClickMagick Campaigns is our state-of-the-art tracking solution that uses industry-standard UTMs and first-party cookies, which cannot be blocked, to effortlessly track your entire sales funnel with no tracking or redirect links. It was built from the ground up to track and optimize your Google, Facebook, YouTube, and other paid ads, and you can get it up and running in about 5 minutes. 3. Bulletproof cross-device tracking. The average internet user owns 3.2 devices, and continuously switches between them, making it impossible to track their true activity with most tracking systems. They opt in on their phone, watch a webinar on their iPad, and finally make a purchase weeks later on their desktop computer. Just like we're all doing. But ClickMagick offers true cross-device tracking, which is normally reserved for big guys, so you can track, optimize, and scale with confidence. 4. Track the sales of your phone and other offline sales. If you take phone orders, accept wire transfers, or accept payment in other ways offline, this has traditionally been almost impossible to track precisely. And that means that if offline sales make up a significant percentage of your total revenue, you don't really have the right way to optimize your ads to scale up your business. ClickMagick is the only platform available to small businesses that allow you to easily and accurately track your offline sales, all the way back to an individual ad or promotional piece generated by the customer, with just one simple tweak to your opt-in or another form. 5. Help ad networks find more great customers. Google and Facebook both use AI algorithms to find you more customers, but this works just as well as the data they have, and they generally mass about 20 to 50% of your sales. ClickMagick Audience Optimization TM makes it super easy to upload your true conversion data to the platforms you advertise, so they'll have more accurate data to work with. The end result is more customers and better customers at the lowest possible cost. 6. Click Shield TM. Reduce wasted ad spend. Despite the best efforts of ad networks, you pay for a lot of clicks from automated software programs called bots. and the clips from the competitors are trying to make up your costs. And by clicking on happy users who click on your paid ad every time they want to get to your site. But you won't have to worry about that because ClickMagick's Click Shield allows you to set simple rules to define what type of paid click behavior is acceptable to your business and to block the rest, which results in less ad spending on the same number of conversions. 7. Automated and intelligent split testing. Most people do all the wrong tests. They stop their tests too early, guess at the winners, and then make important decisions based on bad information. This defeats the whole purpose of split testing, and it actually costs you money. But ClickMagick's automated and intelligent split testing eliminates all of these issues. Our proprietary algorithms will instantly alert you when you have a statistically valid winner, and can even automatically redirect all of your traffic to winning variations. 8. Real-time stats and reporting. Other systems make you jump through all kinds of hoops and click a million buttons to see all of your key performance metrics, and even then your stats are often missing, delayed or sampled, which means you don't get a full picture. But with ClickMagick, you have quick and easy access to all the numbers you need: conversion rates, ad spending, profit, ROI, average order value, return on ad spending, and more, to manage and improve your marketing, all in real time. 9. Multi-retargeting platform. With multi-platform retargeting, you will be able to increase your exposure to all of your offers and dramatically boost your sales by tracking your visitors across the web. This is one of the most profitable commercials you'll ever make. And ClickMagick's multi-platform retargeting lets you add unlimited retargeting pixels from any retargeting network you use to any of your tracking links. Whether or not you own the website that it points out. Geo and mobile targeting. ClickMagick tracking links and rotators enable you to dynamically send visitors to custom pages based on their geographical location or device type. And by doing this, for example, sending desktop users to your regular website and mobile users to your optimized mobile site, you will instantly increase your conversions. Depending on your offer, this could be some of the lowest hanging fruit. And ClickMagick gives you unlimited flexibility in controlling who sees what. Affiliate marketing tools. While ClickMagick has evolved to become a lot more over the years, it was originally built by a super affiliate to manage its own multi-million-dollar affiliate business. From one-of-a-kind, dynamic affiliate links that allow you to take control of the sales process even when promoting. Affiliate offers you no control of automated split testing that allows you to effortlessly optimize all of your landing pages and affiliate promotions. To our automated postback builder, which helps you integrate with every major affiliate network, ClickMagick gives you a massive competitive advantage over other affiliates. 12. Best-in-class rotator. Click Rotators is a traffic delivery system used to distribute incoming traffic to as many different URLs as you want, exactly as you want. These are generally best used with email marketing, solo ads, CPA affiliate offers, or ad co-ops, and ClickMagick has the best rotators in the business. With 5 different types of rotators and dozens of options, including the ability to deliver traffic based on time, location, device type, and more, ClickMagick gives you almost unlimited flexibility and power to do things that other systems simply can't do. Ad split testing that allows you to effortlessly optimize all your landing pages and affiliate promotions. 13. Automatic bot filter. They may be relatively innocent, like a search engine spider, or malicious, like a bot used by a shady traffic source to sell you fake clicks. But they can really mess up your stats and waste your ad budget, either way. Unlike other tracking systems, ClickMagick allows you to filter or even block clicks from the bot, make sure your stats are accurate and you get the clicks you paid for. We were more than anyone else in the trenches fighting bots as direct response marketers. With billions of clicks analyzed and processed, no other bot filtering system is close. 14. Automatic quality analysis of traffic. Knowing your traffic quality is crucial in determining which traffic sources are working for you and which are just wasting your money. ClickMagick automatically assigns a unique traffic quality score to all of your tracking links, so you know exactly what kind of traffic you're getting. The system will even notify you if the quality of your click is suspiciously low. Now you don't have to worry about the new solo ad vendor you're trying to do. ClickMagick has your back and watches all your traffic 24/7. 15. Video Tutorials Knowledge Base. We're pretty proud of our knowledge base, and you've probably never seen anything like that before. It is fully searchable and contains more than 400 articles and tutorials, most of them with screenshots and videos, all you could possibly want to know about tracking, testing, and optimizing your advertising with ClickMagick. We've poured a ton of resources into building this for you, so every time you get stuck or need help with a quick search, it's almost always going to give you the answers you're looking for. Support for 16, Fanatical 24/7. Here at ClickMagick, we are known for our fanatical support. Standard and Pro users will receive live chat support approximately 18 hours a day, onboard calls, and even phone support if you need it. And even if you are on our starter plan or just want to submit a ticket, the average response time in our help desk is usually no more than a few hours. And it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Many users have told us that our support is better than anything they've experienced before. Because our team consists of real marketers with years of experience, not low-paid, outsourced customer support reps who have never been in the trenches. To our automated postback builder, which helps you integrate with every major affiliate network, ClickMagick gives you a massive competitive advantage over other affiliates. I hope you all really like this amazing tool. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon. Good luck!